Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the gun oil silicone lubricant for men, 4 ounces. There is no sticky residue either, but it does require a good amount of soap and water to clean up. There wasn't any unexpected leaking that other people have mentioned around the top of the bottle. The best stuff you can get ever. It works very well, and in would recommend it. Long-lasting, very smooth, good for both sex, and even people of the same sex too. The bottle was half empty due to leakage. Bottle leaked significantly, and was covered in lubricant. In addition, it gets a lot less slick when it comes in contact with water, becoming sort of a greasy film. On the bright side, once it gets to that point it doesn't get any less slick. Tried it with a HJ first on his shaft to see how lubricated it is, and honestly the taste. So don't be touching any doorknobs, or opening the ice box for a bottle of water. And be a good idea to do clean before sitting on the toilet. At least forget to wipe the seat. It does need mild dish soap, something that can cut through oil to come off. Once you put this product on, it takes a while to get it off, a couple of showers. Love the glide and smooth oil texture. Great alone, or in the company of others. This stuff works pretty well for when you need to shove things into small places. Only downside is it can stain the sheets, or at least leave a shadowy blotch. Overlooked the 2 ounces product detail, and the tiniest bottle of lube came in the mail. Too many products out there require constant reapplication, but not true of this gun oil. You really don't need a whole lot each time, and it lasts much better than the water-based stuff. In addition, it comes with a pump head on it, which can lock by turning it sideways. Trying other silicone lubricants, this one is way better for what it means to be. It does not come with a pump top. Makes things a little slick when trying to grab a little more smile. If you're planning on having a long session, this would definitely last for a while, even with a small amount. There is no reeking scent like with Glide. The lubricant stays on, even when in wet situation like the shower, and it doesn't dry out and get all sticky. Product arrived, but there seems to be as lube in the outside of the product as there is inside. Wrapped very tightly in plastic around the bottle. But once you have the actual product in hand, it's so slippery you can't hold it. Loved it, stayed lube the whole time, no drying out, or needing to add more. The new style bottle and pump are not as convenient as the old style pump bottle. So slippery, don't expect to turn a doorknob with it all over your hands. If you want to go streaking, at Super Bowl, or whatever, would be great to cover your body in it. Highly recommended. This format bottle seems to always leak when taken on airplanes, which is really annoying. Literally less than half the price of buying a silicone lube at a retail store. In addition to being silky smooth and long-lasting, it also goes on warm, whereas water-based lubes, at room temperature, can feel very cold. The outside of the bottle can get a little slippery after a while, but that's to be understood. 8 ounces should last you a long time, unless you host large sex parties, or something beyond the normal. So if you carry it, or pack it on its side, there is lube all over everything. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.